Recently, while I was on Instagram, I saw this post about the origins of why people say bless you after you sneeze. Here, take a look. The page itself has a lot of followers, but it's not verified. This can be a pretty big red flag when you're fact-checking. I can't rule out the possibility of this being legit just yet, so I did a keyword search of sneezing and your heart stopping. We came across the University of Arkansas's Medical Sciences page, where there's an entire section dedicated to medical myths. When you sneeze, the intrathoracic pressure in your heart increases momentarily, which actually decreases the flow of blood to your heart. Luckily, the heart compensates for this, so heart activity doesn't actually stop. In rare cases, if your heart is not functioning properly, intrathoracic pressure may stay high for a moment, causing your heart to stop for a split second. So one part of this fact is disproved, but why do people say bless you when you sneeze? I did another keyword search to find out. I came across this post from the Library of Congress, which has .gov in the URL. According to popular theory, sneezing in Europe was a sign of the Black Plague, so people would try and bless you to rid you of the plague inside your body. But there are varying accounts as to what the origin of the phrase is. Some ancient cultures believed that sneezing forced evil spirits out of the body and endangered others. I also came across a Snopes article that breaks down all of the theories. Swipe up on this video to read all of the theories. While the part of the fact about your heart stopping is sort of correct, it could definitely use more information, and we don't have a definitive answer on the origin of bless you. Do you have a fact you want us to check? DM us. We'll try our best to get back to you. Thanks for watching.